What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on Dogelon Mars, also known as Elon. As you can clearly see, it has been pumping like crazy over the last 24 hours, nearly 40% up in value. And it's not even in the last 24 hours, it all took place about very early this morning around 6 a.m. It went from this value here, I'm not even going to say it, there's too many zeros in there, but yeah, 7939 all the way up to, let's have a look, 0. Then adding an extra 1213. So that is a major increase. Has dipped a little bit since then, but overall it's still up in value. So that's what we're going to be looking at into today. A lot of people have been asking me, should I buy it right now? Is it too late? Should I sell it? Should I wait for it to go up? So on and so on. So I'm going to try and cover both buyers and sellers point of view in this crypto, and also, sorry, not in this crypto, in this video, and also looking at short-term trading and long-term trading when it comes to Dogelon Mars. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And once I do hit that target, there will be a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. And once again, as I keep mentioning, there's going to be at least 9 lucky winners winning cryptocurrencies in this giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned on my Instagram for more details regarding the giveaway, because that's where all the updates and so on happen. So in the last hour itself, it managed to gain 2% over the last 24 hours, 40% over the week, 34%. We can see it dropping a little bit for most of the month until the huge peak took place today, and over the month it is 57% up. We can clearly see it has been dipping quite a bit as well over the last, let's say, 2 to 3 weeks. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, the trading volume has gone up by a huge 700%, making it $184 million. So a huge amount of money has been traded over the last 24 hours. A lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general a lot of people trading Dogelon Mars. So let's get straight into it. As you can see on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm not going to be using right now. I'll bring this back later on in the video when I do the technical analysis. But what we are going to start off with is the MACD indicator to do some price predictions, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. But just a little disclaimer before I do that, guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So as you can see, we are looking at the daily chart, and we've also got the purple line which is running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, which is currently valuing it at this one here, the purple one, and it is currently trading as the green one here, which is way above the average value, meaning it is performing very well at the moment and way above than expected. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors. So zooming in here, we kind of got a mixed signal. We got the blue line slightly looking bullish, going in a positive direction. However, the orange line is looking bearish, going towards a negative direction. Why is that? The only reason for that is, as you can clearly see, it's peaked up in value, dropped down, peak back up, drop down, peak back up. So it's been a mixture of ups and downs over the last couple of hours, and that is exactly what's likely to carry on. A fluctuation like what's been happening here literally at the moment is the same as what it was worth about a couple of hours ago. The same pattern is likely to take place over the coming hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, do expect it to fluctuate at the current price range with very minimal dips and peaks in between. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So in this case, we got the orange line just about going in a positive direction, but we can clearly see it has come to a fluctuation line, and it is slowly starting to flatten out, and so is the blue line. So literally both lines are flat out. They're not looking bullish or bearish. Quite boring, but it is what it is. So do expect it to fluctuate at the current price range over the coming days. However, what I am expecting is minimal drops in value are expected. The only reason for that is it's had a huge peak in value over the last couple of hours. That only means it's going to have to drop down in value. It has to take a little breather. As I mentioned in all my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase, it has to come back down, it has to drop back down, and the same applies to Dogelon Mars. So over the coming days, we are going to see red days where it starts to slowly drop down in value and potentially not go back to where it was before, but heading towards that price target towards the end of this week and early next week as well. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we expect? Now we are looking slightly bullish, going in outside a positive direction. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected over the coming weeks. So in this case, I'm talking about very late May and early to mid June as well. We should expect an overall increase in value and probably be valuing at a higher value than what it's worth at the moment. However, you have to bear in mind that these are my predictions as of right now, guys. This may change according to any new updates, any new news that come across that can have a potential impact on the value of Dogelon Mars. And of course, if there are anything like that or any news like that, I will keep you guys updated as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So the coming weeks are so far looking great, but again, I will keep you guys updated. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring out the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. But before that, I get into that, guys, I have a little announcement. I have created a Telegram group chat which you guys can join using the link in the description box down below for $14.99 a month. And again, in this group chat, there's going to be two group chats that you're going to get put into. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying, what cryptos I'm selling, and the other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions and just communicate and just chat to each other, so on and so on. And of course, I'll be in the chat as well. And again, I'm not a short-term trader, guys, so I don't buy and sell on a daily basis. I am a long-term investor, so we only make smart moves and, considering the risk managements as well. And again, the other day, about 3 days or 2 days ago, I did tell you guys a specific crypto, or a couple of cryptos actually, where the market was down. And if you did invest into those right now, you would have been about 30 to 35% up on one crypto itself. So again, make sure you join if you guys don't want to miss out. But again, if you guys have any questions or any queries before you join, just send me a DM on Instagram. Again, this offer is only limited to the first 100 people. After that, it will go up to $29.99. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to take part in the offer. Anyways, back to Dogelon Mars. As you can see, we are trading, well, we were trading in the green zone here. However, right now we have peaked up to the dark green zone, and last time we hit that, it did resist and drop back down in value, and the exact same applies to this time as well. As I mentioned in this earlier in the video, I do expect it to drop back down in value, so the same pattern applies. Like last time, it picked back up in value, dropped back down. Same thing again, it picked up in value and is very, very likely that it's going to drop back down in value. So again, those of you who are investing for the short term, I would probably right now is too late if you're in it for the short term. However, if you're planning to hold on to it for the long term, then yeah, it's not too late at the moment. There's still time to get into Dogelon Mars. I have invested into it. I'm still holding on to it. I haven't bought more. I haven't sold it. I'm just going to be holding on to it for the long run and see where it goes, because there are way more other cryptos that I would rather invest than Dogelon Mars. But it's good having a little bit of investment into different cryptos as well. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Dogelon Mars. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave it a like, and any questions, any queries, just comment down below or send me a DM and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here. But before I end the video, I just want to say a massive thank you and a massive shout out to every single one of you who have been subscribing to the channel, and I appreciate each and every single one of you guys, because it means a lot to me, and yeah, it helps me out a lot as well. So thank you so much for subscribing, and those of you who have been liking my videos as well, so thank you guys so much. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.